Madison, make some faces. There you go. Make some faces.
Can you smile for us? Show everybody all your chin.
Can you open your eyes?
Well, that might be a little bit much to ask for.
Too big a Winston.
It's like I'm going to close them tighter.
Come on, sweet girl.
Hey.
Come on. Your coloring is so good.
She does have pretty skin.
Oh, she does. Addison.
Hey,
oh,
sweetheart.
Winston, you're jellyfish. Quit. Get down. Addison. Baby.
Hey.
Woo-hoo.
You're all sweaty. You're all sweaty.
Oh, I'm not going to wake up. I'm just going to sleep. Addison. Almost had him. Oh, I don't want to wake up. Oh, come on, girl.
You can do it.
Come on, cheeks.
Oh, where are you going? What are you doing?
There we go.
Yay!
There we go. Come on.
That wasn't so bad.
Oh, my goodness. Look at those cheeks. Oh, yay!
Can we get a smile? Can we get the elusive smile on film?
I don't think so. Not yet.
Not yet.
Soon.
Okay, where are you going?
Oh. Hey, girl. Hey. What is that?
I don't really want to be awake.
Leave me alone.
Really not wanting to be awake.
Oh. All right.